Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath25.
MathyMath25. This is a neat problem for Math Club homework. This is from an old IMLM team test, actually. So this would be working on this problem as a team. It says n is a natural number such that the mean value of n, 2, 4, and 8 is 3 times the median value. What is n?
Well, the median of the set is 3. Because you have... Well, are these in order? So that could make it different.
Yeah.
So...
Does it say they're in order?
No, it doesn't. It just says n's a natural number.
Yeah.
So we have several possibilities. So we know the mean, or the median. I spelled that wrong.
Is that right?
Times 3 is the mean. So we could have n, 2, 3, or is it, no, it's 2, 4, 8.
Yeah, n, 2, 4, 8.
But this situation wouldn't work because the median is 3. Or wait, would it work? So the average would have to be 9. And n is going to be less, n is, natural numbers are numbers 0 and greater, right?
I don't know. We'll just pretend you're taking the test. So.
Well, this doesn't work because n I think can only be 1 here, and this wouldn't add up to 20 or to 36.
Okay.
This doesn't work. If n is 3, well, the median, n is 3, the median is 7 halves. But again, this is too big. So n is 3 doesn't work. Here, the median is, well, n can be 5, 6, or 7. Let's look at the biggest one. Or, no, actually let's look at the smallest one, and it's 5. So, it's 9 halves, it's the median, and 27 halves should be the mean. Which, I still think that's too big. I think the only way for this to work is if n is greater than 8. Because now the median is 6. Means the mean has to be 18. Means the sum has to be 43, 72. Is that right? 18 is 4. Yeah. And then this is possible with n being bigger than 8. Because n can be 70 minus 12, which is 58. n can just be 58.
Okay. 58 is the right answer. Now, what are some, reflecting on your solution now, what are some things you could have done differently to find, because this is a math contest, you're trying to find the answer quickly. So
Well,
how could you have gone quickly to that?
you could have seen that if the mean is going to be, so the sum is going to be pretty big, and I think, and then you should, so that means n has to be pretty big since the rest of the numbers are all pretty small.
Yeah.
So that means you could have just jumped to here.
Right. So, you know, you never know where you're supposed to start. So, what was it, 2, 4, 8, and n is how they give it to you like this?
Yeah.
So you checked a small n first, like 1 or something, and you said, well, the average here would have to be, so the 12 or 9, right? But none of the numbers are bigger than 9.
So it doesn't work.
So it can't work. But then you check, the next n you checked was right here, and it was the same problem, it's too big. Then you checked here, it was too big. But once you knew here that that n needed to be big,
You could have just jumped to being really big.
jumping over here to the big number for n being a big number is probably the way to go, rather than just checking all the way up the list. Okay, good work this morning.